Well, hello and welcome back to another quick RV walkthrough. We're going to look at a 2025 Forest River EVO 157 FBCE. It's a single axle travel trailer with no slide, about 19 foot overall, and we're going to give it a full exterior and interior tour. So let's start up front. Got a manual jack up front with a 20-pound bottle. These do have a disconnect, which is nice. And they do have a connection for solar, so you can add 400 watts of solar on that connection. Driver's side has obviously no slide. We got a total weight of 4,742 pounds. Cargo carrying is 1,735. Do some math. There's your dry weight. Freshwater connection, winterization connection, couple windows on this side. These are going to be either 2023 or 2024 tires. They are 225 175 R15s. I don't see a date code, but they are brand new. City water connection, tank flush, 30 amp power cord, dump station, low point drain. You got 4 stab jacks, sewer storage, spare tire in the back, area for a backup camera, and that's actually an area for a ladder. Sorry about the sun. 60K BTU tankless water heater. You also got a pretty decent size awning, pretty much a full body awning right here. It is electric, does have an LED strip right there, and it does have adjustable pitch arms. You got not a pass-through storage, but a front storage, and you can see you can access that from under the bed. Propane connection, drain outlet. Got a couple speakers down low, some 110s, I think a coax. More ride step above solid entry steps. These are pretty cool. When you're traveling, they just store in like that. And you won't find a better step in the business, especially if you're just used to the standard pull-out step. Is there a date code on this tire? There is, 2423, so middle of 2023. Right when we walk in, you're greeted with the kitchen. You got a fridge, obviously a microwave, pantry. They do come standard with the fireplace that will put out some heat. The 2023 models, actually, that was the heater. Kitchen, got a little cover for the sink. We put that little Tupperware in here to keep moisture out. 2 burner stovetop with a glass top, and a fan and a light. Nice little LEDs on here. Some storage down there. Some storage up here, connected to this one. Here's your pantry. Microwave. 12-volt fridge, close to a queen bed, in between a full and a queen. Does have a jackknife sofa in here that does also turn into a sleeper. Non-ducted AC, but it works great for this size. You can add a solar controller just to the left. Wardrobe right here. And then, of course, rear bathroom. Our selling price is $20,995. Suggested retail on here is about $22,000, so we're already under MSRP. I'll put all my contact info on screen. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.